Welcome back, everyone. The White House is expected to announce this week that anyone who got the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine should get a booster shot 8 months after their second dose. As Michael George reports, it comes as COVID-19 cases driven by the Delta variant continue to surge across the country.
Americans who received the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine could start getting a booster shot as early as mid-September if the FDA approves the plan.
We're likely to do this down the road in phases. The older persons first, healthcare workers after that.
Dr. William Schaffner is an infectious disease expert at Vanderbilt.
As with most vaccines, after a time, protection wanes. And so we have to give our immune system a reminder. And that's what a booster would do.
The third shot would likely be the same brand as the first two and would come 8 months after the second dose. Officials are still waiting on more data before giving guidance on the one-shot Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Johnson & Johnson is working on their data, and we anticipate information from that quarter will be coming along a little bit later.
People with compromised immune systems, like Roy Johnson of Iowa, are already allowed to get a booster shot.
Well, I have an autoimmune condition, so when it was made available, I thought, well, may as well go ahead and get the third shot.
The push to vaccinate comes as the Delta variant continues to overwhelm hospitals across the nation. In Austin, Texas, ambulances are waiting up to an hour for open beds.
Our medics are being overworked like crazy.
And starting today in New York City, people patronizing indoor gyms, restaurants, and museums will have to show proof of vaccination. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
Full FDA approval of the vaccines is expected in mid to late September, according to health officials. As students across the country are beginning to return to the classroom for in-person learning, a new study suggests they actually got more sleep when school was remote. Sleep data from more than 5,000 kids across the U.S. found a fifth of middle school students and 37% of high school students who attended school in person reported getting sufficient sleep. When students took live online classes, 38% of middle school and well over half of high school students reported getting enough shut-eye. Online school without live classes allowed students to get the most sleep. 10 million magnets are under a recall. What you need to know if you have one is coming up next.